Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the skies, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you what I do directly after I installed my new website. This is especially important for SEO, search engine optimization. Really small setting, but in time it will boost your website a little bit. Okay, so let's jump into my screen. So after the installation of the WordPress website, we go to settings and we go to this one, permalinks. For some reason WordPress or at least the developers always put this on day and name, but to be honest, nobody search for day and name. Maybe you don't understand what I mean, but let me show you. So I always change to Postname. This is the best for the SEO settings, so just follow me, Postname. So let's click on Save Changes. Let's first install an SEO plugin. So in this example, I will install the Yoast SEO plugin. I told before there are many other SEO plugins also, but this is a rather popular one. I'm not saying it's the best one because some people don't like to use it, but I like to use it. So then we click on Activate. So once again, really easy. We go to Settings, we go to Permalinks, then we go to Postname. That's more or less already half of the work. And then we go to a post. I already made a small test post. It's loading. Let me go to View Post. So what do I mean? So since we have changed, once again, the permalinks to Postname, now this is here. Otherwise, here there was something like, I don't know, the date or whatever, something strange, and that's not so good for Google, because when we go to the post, you see it's already in the, let me move my head, in the URL. So if we go to the Yoast SEO plugin, and let's say the focus keyword is website company Tielt. Tielt is a city name in Belgium, not far from my place. So I use this trick a lot. Let's say this is the key phrase. So it tells me the title, the slug, it's already in there. So that's really good. So you see, all you have to do is fill it in. Now here it's already filled in, and this is the correct icon. So okay, so once again, let me close the website, go to the post. With this small trick, you have a very small point for Google, but yeah, you see, it only takes 1 second to edit that. And of course, I have shared in other videos also, you need to add your proper title tag, your meta description, and here in the Yoast SEO plugin, it's rather easy, just follow the steps. It's not the holy grail plugin or whatever, it's just some settings, but this is on-page basic SEO. So yeah, for every page and post you do, just do this. Especially with this permalink, etc., it's already a good start. So always make that you have as much as possible green bullets in this case. Don't forget, now we are April 2019. Now and then there are updates from the Yoast SEO plugin, so if you watch this video in the future, it may a little bit look different, but in the end it's mostly the same, and it's an SEO plugin, so we want to rank for specific keywords. Also, it's way more smarter to put or type here in a city name, because yeah, website company, that's really width, right? So but if you type, I don't know, what is your city, is it London, Paris, whatever, New York, the more specific the better, of course. Of course you will be find a little bit less on Google, but mostly the people from that city, they want to work together with a website company or local company. So that's your big advantage there. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. So that's all for this small video tutorial. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.